As we begin this video demonstration, I wanted to give some specifics about the new Vactor truck. This is the Vactor 2100 Plus, which is a combination truck used for cleaning, jetting, vacuuming sewer lines, drainage utility systems, and is also used for excavating trenches around sensitive utilities such as gas and fiber optic phone lines while in the street. This truck consists of a 2015 International chassis with all the Vactor components assembled on that chassis. This truck gets used for emergency sewer blocks, planned maintenance tasks, and excavating trenches in the street around those sensitive utilities. As the guys get the truck set up, the video is showing a quick overview of the truck's different parts and systems. Now the video is showing one of the new features of the new Vactor, a hydraulically controlled tailgate with hydraulic locks. This makes emptying the larger tank a lot easier with a more controlled flow during dumping rather than a swinging tailgate like the old truck. The truck has storage compartments to hold tools for lifting manhole covers, sledgehammers, extra jetting nozzles, etc., but it's able to hold a lot more equipment than the previous vehicle. As you see in the video, the truck pulls up to the manhole and the procedures begin for getting the truck ready for usage. The water and sewer system operators are now using the manhole lifter to open the manhole. Now they're assembling the vacuum tube extensions to vacuum out the debris that accumulates downstream during the jetting of a sewer or drain utility lines. The clamps provide a nice tight seal during vacuuming procedures. Now they're simulating how the jetting hose nozzle spins and works inside the pipe. The jetting nozzles operate at different RPMs, revolutions per minute, GPMs, gallons per minute, and different pressures, PSI. The truck can be operated and adjusted to meet the specific nozzle's optimum cleaning operating range. Typical operating range is 1500 to 1900 RPMs, and it uses about 20 to 70 gallons per minute. This truck also comes with a new positive displacement blower that provides better vacuuming power at a lower RPM. There are extra cyclones on the truck that provide a better cleaning during dirt and water separation functions within the truck. Also, a new water multi-flow system was installed to control the truck RPMs separately from the system RPMs during use and non-use, which gives the truck better gas mileage. Also, the Vactor uses less water due to revamped pump controls and nozzle technology. Lastly, the operators are demonstrating the new decanting pump system. This allows the operators to continue vacuuming through the vacuum hose, but then empty the sewer water back into the sewer system, but trapping the solids behind. This procedure is called decanting. This keeps the tank from filling too fast and having to shut down the job early or often to continually drive to another site to empty the tank. Here you see an example of the normal water gun operations. This truck is also equipped with an excavation package that helps excavate dirt from a trench that has the sensitive utilities present. I hope you've enjoyed this Vactor presentation. Thank you.